Ka MLA na ka National People's Party lani NPP ka Dr. Ampareen lengdo ka lakren syapang ka Pynkhreh chongka na ka Bynta ka Election Assembly Arhajar Arpupra. Ka Dr. Ampareen ka laong bakal Sdang lupai ka Pynkhreh na du mentahi da ka jingya trailang bat kipat ba akisnong kitaw. Kala banjur ba ka jingya kundu bat ka jingya sngau pat ba kalong ka bakongsan syua bantep nomination bat ka khot yakani kum ka jingkit kli ka bakongsan ka chongka. Hakabayadai bat ka jingya kun election kala penpau bakam day ka Shimet jongka Henry kasong hajingalam jongka parti. Kalau ong bakabut renti ya karukam trekam jongka parti batkan priang ya kanu karai kabawan na kinong yalam. Kalau pen pauru kajing ang nut baka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance lani MDA kandang peteng ban senchar hadi nusnem arhazar arhupra. Katkum kajing ong jongka barok ki parti ki hab ban Pynkhreh bha bat ban le ya kakam homework lada ki kwa jingyo jingjop. Hakajuk kapor ka Dr. Ampareen kalau ong ba kapersang ban kiar na kinu ki jing penthut kenang ban la ban pelet jingmut pura haki kamram jongka bat ha ka jing Pynkhreh ka pura na ka Bynta ka election ka banwan.
Once the filing or the closeness of 2028 comes. For example, as a legislator right now, I am actively engaged in the preparations of my inroads for the LA 2028. People may say there's a lot of time, but I'm saying for an MLA like me, who will only file a nomination once I'm in touch with citizens at large, then I think we have very little time left. Whether or not I am a player or I will be requested by my party to contest is to be seen, because it is not my decision. It is a collective decision of party leaders.